What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to another video. We are out here back in the creeks again. It's about winter time. We just had a really cold front come through. Coldest of the year so far. It was about 40 degrees, give or take, and now it's starting to warm up. So just a few days later, now it's gonna be about 80 degrees today. So it's gonna warm up, should warm up the water pretty good and really get the fish chewing. So we're out here with Andreas. I'll go ahead and link him down below so you guys can go ahead and check him out. As always, but we're gonna go ahead and throw a bunch of paddle tails, split tail finessers, spoons. Andy's probably gonna go ahead and throw a topwater because he's crazy. That's what he likes to do in the wintertime. And we're gonna see if we can get on some fish. So I hope you guys enjoy watching the video. Let's go catch some fish.
Fish on?
Yep.
Nice. Oh, dude, look at that one.
Yeah. I'm underneath it. Yeah.
Oh, sorry about that.
You're good.
See, we can't.
Yeah, I'm right underneath you.
Oh.
Yeah. I think you might have got the line. I think it's on. It's good now.
I stopped it. I think that's definitely the one that was trying to.
Yeah.
Not a bad fish at all.
No, that's decent.
You need my help?
Yeah, if you want to net them.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a decent fish. We'll get a picture of this one.
Well, boys, we figured out the question of the day. They will go for a topwater.
Come on, dude. That's a decent fish there. He is fired up, dude.
Yeah.
Nice. Heck yeah.
Nice fish, birdie.
Thanks, dude. Get a picture of that one real quick. It's a nice fish. All right, guys. Good way to start out the day. It's a nice, probably 24, give or take, redfish on Z-Man 3-inch paddle tail. This is the blue crab color. He absolutely smoked it. Let's go ahead and get him back in the water. There he goes. Good deal. There he is. Little trouteroni. Oh, you're a little cold, buddy. You're a little bit colder than that redfish was. Get you back in the water. All right, that's 2-0.
Because I'm attracting all these fish to you with my sonic mirror lure fish pouch.
Fish whistle?
Yeah.
Once I get this in, I'm gonna move us. We're gonna switch creeks. Ooh, just pulled it out of a trout's mouth.
Did you really?
Yeah. Let's see if I can get him again.
I'm gonna cast the mirror lure in there one time.
Okay.
The suspending one. Just see.
There he is.
I might honestly take it off until later.
I have a heavy Dean on.
Oh, you do?
Yeah, but it's a small one.
Yeah.
But it's the one that sinks down pretty quick. There we go, another trout. A little dinker.
domed it.
Nice.
The trout. Yep.
Pretty crazy.
Not a bad one.
I'm surprised they're not coming up to the top water.
Yeah.
It's a redfish though.
These trout are cold, man.
Nice.
He seems decent.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
It's a decent red.
Nice, man. I'm gonna get the net once you get to the close.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Went right to the boat.
I'm getting it.
That's a nice red. Nice one. Yeah, he's not as big as he thought he was originally.
Against the current too.
Yeah. I mean, he's not bad. He's probably about the same size as the other one is. He is on fire though, man. Hang on one second. All right. Thanks, sir.
Yeah.
Appreciate that.
Need another pick or should I keep fishing?
Nah, I don't need a pick with this one. He's not as big as I thought he was.
Gotcha. Dude, it eats.
Got him.
That thing landed and just got destroyed. Oh, that was sick.
Yeah, you can pull him up this way.
Yeah.
Okay. Get him.
I get the hook in there because he ate it coming towards us.
Oh yeah, nice
Oh,
fish.
dude, I thought that was a trout, and I was like, get that net red.
Yeah, for real.
Not a bad red at all, though. It's got a huge tail. One of those big booty Judies.
Big booty Judy.
Had to switch over to the skitter walk, y'all. All reliable.
Old reliable.
Wintertime topwater. Oh, thanks, man.
Yep.
Sorry about the net.
That's all good.
All right, y'all. My first fish of the day. Absolutely smoked the topwater. Beautiful blue tail. I think he's gonna grow up to be a really nice fish. So I'm gonna go ahead and give him a nice little release. Sweet, man. I aim for the bank. See if I can get it.
Nice trout.
Yeah.
All right, brother. Thank you for biting. Appreciate it. All right, guys. Another trout to add to the tally here. Let him go. There he goes.
Back.
Nope.
Oh, what is that? Oh, it's a big red. Nice. I'm getting the. I'm gonna get the net. All right. You got him?
Yep.
Sweet, man. Nice fish.
Thanks, dude. Need you to come in here, buddy. Hang on here. He's not ready yet.
I was gonna surprise him as he came out from under the boat. It's a good one for sure. It's probably like what, 28? 29? Oh, almost.
Understood. Woo. All right, guys, nice solid redfish here. He's probably about 27, 28, give or take. But we're gonna go ahead and get him back in the water, get him released. Nice solid fish there. That's a stud.
Nice fish. That's where I had the small blows from the Topwater.
It seems like another red.
Really?
Yeah. Here, I'm gonna hit the spot lock on this real quick. Just watch your balance in case it tries to, you know. Yeah, that's another nice red. See, am I recording for this one? Yep, recording for this one at least. It's not as big as the other one, but he's still a nice one.
Yeah. Oh, do you need my help, bro?
I got it. Alright. Alright, buddy. Well, guys, this right here is what he ate. Once again, 3-inch blue crab minnow from Z-Man has been the ticket so far. Absolutely smacking these fish. So let's get a release on this guy. He's a little lower slot. There he goes. Water's a little chilly.
Alright, sounds good, man. I appreciate it. I was like, if you want, send me your new address so I can send you some fresh baits.
Yeah.
I don't remember the last time I gave him bait, you know?
Yeah, he didn't have any split tails. I gave him a pack of mine.
Okay. You want again?
Yeah. Little guy. Same spot. This is a little guy.
Put the split tail in there now.
Look at that little cutie pie. Pretty tail though. Absolutely gorgeous tail. Do you want me to show you how it's done again?
I almost replicated from your little fish clinic you've got going on. What's today's master class? Yeah, I got smashed.
Doesn't surprise me. It's a nice little hole right here. They're sitting back on that bar.
Cool if I come back here?
Yeah. Oh, that's a problem though. The trimeter. Here, I got you. I'm gonna go up there. You sit back here. You sit back here.
Sure.
Yeah. All right, y'all. That is 3 casts in a row, I think. They're getting smaller on every cast up. So let's go the other way. Let's make them bigger. Take that. On both sides. We got, oh, got thumped, dude. Get this guy quick before this dolphin finds out I got him. Gotta get your help with the net. I don't want this dolphin that's rolling up to see that I got this. Yeah, I'm coming down, I'm coming down. Go up front, go up front, go up front. Another one. Thank you, sir. Appreciate it. All right, we should be spot locked right here. All right.
Can you look at my paddle tail and tell me if it's moving weird?
All right, guys. Another solid, good redfish here. We're gonna go ahead and get him back in the water. He's bleeding a little bit, so. Another red.
Double.
Nice.
Oh,
Thanks, man.
I like slowed it down and went north.
And
I
you got it. Nice, nice, nice. Look at that pretty fish there, guys.
Oh, that's
Double?
good. You see that?
Looks like a red.
Oh, okay.
Hang on, though. I don't know.
It's running right to the boat. Oh, it's a red. Hey, the only
Nice.
double, but with a Z-Man.
Yeah. Spot lock's on that motor, by the way. We'll take a double up picture if you want.
Yeah.
Even though yours is bigger. Actually, no, it won't. Never mind.
Can you get a pic of me though?
Yeah, I got you. Yeah, yours is bigger than mine. That's for sure. All right, y'all doubled up on fish. Mine's been behaving pretty good. Yeah, hey, you don't deserve to be in a double up picture there, buddy. Sorry, you're a little small. But you hit hard. Thanks for biting. Pretty fish. Look at the way that his tail is lit up with that blue there, guys. Hope you can see that. It's an absolutely gorgeous fish there. All right, buddy. What happened?
Slipped out of my hands. All good.
Should be a fish sitting right up there on that point. Should be a fish on that point right up there. It's a redfish sitting there waiting for you. About 22 and a half. That's a better fish, it seems like. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah, we can't double up again.
I might do another picture with this one. He's not bad.
Yeah.
He's decent. All right, let's get this picture real quick. All right, guys, another redfish. Once again, 3-inch Z-Man blue crab minnow. Did it to him again. Let's go ahead and get a release on him. There it goes. Current's starting to rush in now.
Yeah.
Next time I find him on sale or something.
Yeah.
'Cause I want to get this on my Stratic. I want to put one of these.
Yeah. Damn.
That's a nice fish, boy.
No, don't tell me.
No, he's still on there.
That is a really nice fish. That thing felt like a brick wall.
Nice red. Yes, sir.
That is so sick.
All right, here, I'm gonna get down and record you real quick. Just keep them tight. I am going to put spot lock on.
He's going for it.
Okay, putting it on now. Crank down to him and pull him out. Rod tip in the water.
Oh.
Otherwise, he's gonna cut you off on the bottom of the boat. There you go. I got you.
I might be able to. Dude, he is fat for his size.
Yeah, they're freaking fat ones. They're not like super long.
He's not like, yeah, he's just really heavy. You ready?
There you go.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. That's a good one there.
Dude, he
You
choked
did that one.
big. Do you see that?
Yep.
Let me get a picture of that thing hanging out.
Oh yeah.
All right, y'all, absolutely smashed it. I don't know if you guys can really see that, but once again, I'll put a little short video up on screen showing how cool the color is. But really healthy redfish. You can tell he's been eating. It's really heavy for his size, so we're gonna go ahead and let him go. I think he's gonna be a really big fish someday. So awesome.
All right, y'all, that is going to go ahead and wrap up the video for today. We caught a ton of fish. Like I said, we're out here with Andy today, so I'll go ahead and link him down below so you guys can go ahead and check him out. But we threw a lot of paddle tails today. Andy threw topwater. He had a few blow-ups, caught some fish on topwater, which I was surprised about because water temp was in the 60s pretty much all day. But I was throwing around the 3-inch minnows from Z-Man in the blue crab color, and it absolutely dominated some fish today. Caught a ton of fish on it. Andy was throwing around split tail finesser and then his paddle tails as well. They were eating pretty much anything we threw at them. As long as you put it in the right place, right in front of them, they're gonna eat it. Like I said earlier, it was a warm up after a cold front, so the fish were really active. We found them deeper in the creeks, kind of in the middle of the creeks and the creek mouths. So they were kind of all spread out, had to cover water, but we caught a ton of fish. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. If you could, go ahead and like the video, comment down below, and of course, go ahead and subscribe if you're not already, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.